Let's make tea time. To make this drink, we are going to start with half a teaspoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Half a teaspoon is 2.5 milliliters. And we're going to put it in our mixing glass. 1 ounce of black tea syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And I do make my own black tea syrup. I make my own tea syrup. Recipe is here on the channel if you want to check it out. Link will be down below. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And finally, 3 ounces of your amber rum. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. Grab some ice, add some ice, and give it a stir. Now, the official glass for this drink is an ice-filled coupe. I don't normally put ice in coupes. Also note that my coupe is 4 ounces volume. The amount of drink I can put, or the amount of liquid in this drink is a little over 4 ounces. So this is not going to fill up very, it's going to fill up pretty quick. So what I'm going to do is fill up another coupe with ice and strain the rest in there. If you have bigger coupes, you don't need to do this step. Garnish, twist of lemon, and luckily I have 2 twists. And by luckily, I mean I planned it. I'll drink the ugly one. And 2 sprigs of mint. Well, 1 sprig of mint if you only have 1 coupe. Wake them up. Oh, that's so small. How cute. And there you have it. The tea time from the 12 Bottle Bar. Drink with good spirits.